Are you experiencing issues with Chromecast Voice Remote and want to reset it? Before you give up on movie night, try this quick fixes to get streaming again. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Today we are going to show you how to reset Chromecast Voice Remote. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset Chromecast Voice Remote. To reset a Chromecast Voice Remote, remove the batteries. To do that, flip the remote cover. Slide open the battery cover. Remove both batteries. Next, press all buttons on the remote briefly. Go up and down the remote, then hold down the power button of the remote for about 15 seconds to help drain any residual power. Ensure no buttons are stuck or pressed down. Next, press and hold the home button. While still holding down the home button, reinsert both batteries. You should see a solid white light appear at the bottom of the remote. Keep holding the home button. Continue holding the home button until the solid white light turns into a pulsing white light. Once it starts pulsing, release the home button. Your Chromecast remote is now factory reset. Method 2. Repair the remote. To repair the remote, put the remote in pairing mode. On the screen, go to Settings, then Remotes and Accessories, then Pair Remote or Accessory. Follow the prompts to complete pairing. Set up volume, power and input controls afterward. Your Chromecast remote should now reset and reconnect it. If the issue continues, repeat the process or check your Chromecast device for firmware updates. Method 3. Remove obstructions. Make sure there are no physical objects like furniture, soundbars, or decorations blocking the space in front of your TV's IR receiver. Thick materials or even reflective surfaces can sometimes interfere with signal transmission. Keeping the area around your TV and Chromecast device unobstructed helps ensure consistent remote performance. Method 4. Update Chromecast firmware. Next, make sure that your system is up to date. To do that, go to Settings, then System, then About, then System Update. Download and install any available updates. Restart the Chromecast after updating. And there you go, how to reset Chromecast Voice Remote. If this solved your problem, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Got a different streaming issue or a question? Drop it in the comments. We are here to help. Thanks for watching Silicophilic and we will see you in the next one.